When your device drops its Wi-Fi connection and flashes an IP address conflict error, it means your home router accidentally assigned the exact same digital identification number to two different devices at once. Here is the 60-second fix. Step 1. On a computer, you need to force a brand new digital handshake. Open your terminal or command prompt, type IP protocol configuration/release, and hit enter to completely drop your current assignment. Next, type IP protocol configuration/renew and hit enter. This forces the router to hand your device a fresh, unassigned number. Step 2. If this is happening on a phone or a smart TV, simply turn the device's Wi-Fi toggle completely off for 5 seconds, then turn it back on. This automatically terminates the broken DHCP lease session on your local network. Step 3. If the error persists across multiple household devices, unplug your home internet router's power cable for 30 seconds. Plugging it back and wipes the router's temporary memory log and reindexes every connected device cleanly. Your search ends here.